Hey, hi everyone, this is Vanisha, and in today's video, we are going to see how to find out the process component IDs related to a specific integration pack instance. So I'll just show you the integration pack details which I have. So this is my integration pack, which I've created in the main account. And this is the process associated with that particular IPack. And in the sub process, I have installed the two instances of that particular IPack. And I have few executions which I ran in the sub account. So let's say if I want to retrieve this component IDs, like the process IDs, for this specific instance of this IPack, let's see how to do that. So for this purpose, we can use the get operation, which is available in the integration pack instance atmosphere API. So let me show you the request as to how it looks. So this is how the URL looks for the integration pack instance get operation. And we'll have to pass the account ID and the integration pack instance ID as the input fields and perform a get. So we can get this integration pack. So this ID field is basically the integration pack instance ID. So we can get this information using the query operation, which is available in the same object. So you can refer to my previous video to understand how to fetch this integration pack instance ID. So for now, let's try to uh, do a get operation and see. So this is my output, which I've fetched previously. So one of my instance um, for which I'd like to retrieve the process component details. So let's go to Postman. And I have already supplied my account ID here. So in the ID field, we'll have to supply the integration pack instance ID. And so this is a get call. And we'll run this request now. Just a minute. So I click on send. So we see a 200. Okay, let's try to break down this response, what we have got. I'll just put it in a notepad. So this is my this 2024 process one. So this is the instance. And if you click on view extended information, we see the process ID. And this should match with that of the wrapper process ID. So wrapper process ID is basically a unique ID which is created when you create an integration pack instance in your sub account. So the wrapper process ID will not be returned for the single install integration pack, as it is only generated for the multi-install integration packs. So this is the wrapper process ID. And if you see, we have another field, original process ID. So let's try to find out what this process is. So if you go back to the main account, and so this is my parent process. I'll just open that process out for you. So original process ID is basically this component ID, basically your parent process, which you have packed in your integration pack. So let's just copy this. I'll just paste here so that we can compare. So this is the same original process ID. And this is your this is the name of your integration pack instance process name. So this is how we can query the process component details associated with integration pack. I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.